Let's be honest, car repairs can empty your wallet faster than a turbocharged Civic. But here's a secret. A small blue can sitting in your garage can save you from a lifetime of squeaks, rust, and unnecessary mechanic visits. Yep, WD-40, the magical spray that smells like victory and solves half your car's problems for the price of a burger combo. Most people think it's just a rust remover. Wrong. This thing is like duct tape in liquid form. It fixes everything you didn't know was broken. Let's go through how this tiny can quietly saves thousands of dollars in repairs while keeping your car running smoother than a freshly waxed hood. Number 1. Stops squeaky hinges and latches. That annoying squeak every time you open the door? It's not just embarrassing, it's a warning sign. Metal rubbing on metal wears things down, and that tiny sound could turn into a broken hinge one day. One quick spray of WD-40 into your hinges and latches, and silence is restored. No expensive replacements, no "what's that noise?" from passengers. Plus, it leaves a protective film that stops rust and wear. Quiet doors, happy wallet. Number 2. Loosens stuck lug nuts. You know that panic when a tire goes flat on a dark road and the lug nut won't move an inch? That's where WD-40 becomes your best friend. A quick spray on the nut, give it a minute to soak in, and it loosens up like butter on a hot pan. No need for Hulk strength or stripped bolts. It's basically a rescue can for roadside emergencies. Number 3. Prevents battery corrosion. That white crust around your battery terminals? It's corrosion, and it's the reason your car sometimes refuses to start. Clean the terminals and hit them with a light mist of WD-40. It blocks oxidation, improves electrical flow, and keeps your battery performing longer. Mechanics charge good money to service your battery. You just did it for free in 2 minutes. Removes tar and bug guts from paint. Long road trip? Your front bumper probably looks like a bug graveyard. Scrubbing it risks scratching your paint. WD-40 melts that sticky mess right off. Bugs, tar, tree sap, all gone in seconds without damaging your paint job. It's the easiest car spa treatment you'll ever give. Number 5. Lubricates window tracts. Slow power windows aren't just annoying, they're the early warning of a dying motor. Most times, it's just dirty tracks. A quick spray of WD-40 along the rubber channels gets things moving again. Smooth up, smooth down, like brand new. You just saved yourself from a $300 window motor replacement. Number 6. Cleans greasy engine components. Pop that hood. It's probably dirtier than your mechanic's overalls. WD-40 can handle that too. Spray it on greasy spots, wipe it down, and suddenly your engine looks cleaner and runs cooler. Plus, clean engines make it easier to spot leaks before they become major repairs. It's not just about looks, it's preventative maintenance in a can. Number 7. Protects undercarriage from salt and rust. If you live anywhere with snow or salted roads, your car's underbelly is under attack. Salt eats metal like acid. A few sprays of WD-40 underneath your car act like a shield, blocking moisture and preventing rust. Think of it as undercarriage armor. Simple, effective, and way cheaper than replacing rusted floor panels. Keeps weather stripping soft and effective. Rubber seals around your doors and windows keep water and wind out until they dry, crack, or shrink. WD-40 keeps them soft and flexible. Spray a bit and wipe it down. No more whistling wind noise, no leaking during rain, and no spending money on new seals. Number 9. Silences windshield wiper blades. Ever had your wipers squeal like they're auditioning for a horror movie? They're just dirty and dry. Spray some WD-40 on a cloth, wipe the blade edges, and you'll get silent, streak-free wipers. You'll see better in the rain, they'll last longer, and you'll stop looking like a person who neglects their car. Number 10. Unsticks seatbelt mechanisms. Seatbelts getting stuck or retracting like they're in slow motion? Dust and grime clog the retractor. Spray a little WD-40 near the belt entry, and it'll glide like it's new again. Quick, cheap, and it ensures your seatbelt actually works when you need it most. Number 11. Removes bumper sticker residue. You peel off that old sticker and now your bumper looks like it got waxed by a toddler. That sticky glue just won't go. WD-40 eats through the adhesive, leaving clean paint behind. No scraping, no harsh chemicals, goodbye residue, hello smooth finish. Number 12. Prevents ice buildup on windows. Winter mornings, frozen windshield, numb fingers. Sound familiar? Spray WD-40 on your windows the night before. Wipe it evenly and no ice will form overnight. You'll skip the morning scraping ritual, save time, and keep your glass scratch-free. This trick alone makes you feel like a genius. Number 13. prevents rust on tools and jacks. Your car jack and tools sit unused for months, until one rainy day when you need them and they're rusted solid. A quick WD-40 coating keeps them rust-free and ready to roll. It's the difference between a smooth tire change and a roadside meltdown. The secret behind these tricks: WD-40 is basically preventative maintenance in a can. It saves you from future headaches by dealing with small issues early. It lubricates, cleans, and protects metal surfaces from moisture and corrosion. Most car problems start with friction, rust, or grime. WD-40 hits all three. Using it regularly means fewer worn-out parts, fewer trips to the mechanic, and more money in your pocket. Think of it as the cheapest insurance your car will ever have. No chemistry lesson here, but here's the simple breakdown. WD-40 displaces water. It also lubricates and forms a thin protective layer that repels moisture and rust. That means it's fighting your car's worst enemies: friction, oxidation, and corrosion all at once. Whether it's metal-on-metal movement or road salt creeping into joints, this stuff stops the damage before it starts. What you shouldn't do with WD-40. Before you start spraying it like holy water, there are a few things to avoid. Mechanic and YouTube legend Scotty Kilmer dropped some truth bombs about what not to do. He's seen enough disasters to write a WD-40 horror story. First, don't use it on drive belts. It can make them slippery, cause damage, and lead to more expensive repairs. That squealing belt? Use proper belt dressing instead. Second, using WD-40 to make your car shine sounds smart until your paint starts fading. It gives a quick gloss, sure, but it doesn't last and can actually harm the finish over time. Third, spraying it on tires for that showroom shine? Bad idea. It reduces grip and traction. That means you'll look good sliding into a ditch. WD-40 isn't a miracle detailer, it's a maintenance tool. Use it for what it's built for: fixing and protecting, not decorating. Bonus trick: locks and hinges that never fail. Scotty also swears by using WD-40 on door locks. Over time, dust and moisture clog up the tiny tumblers inside. A light spray keeps them smooth and functional for years. He's been doing it for decades without issues. Hinges too. Just remember to wipe off the extra and follow up with a silicone lubricant for a perfect finish. That small habit can prevent costly lock replacements and those awkward moments when your key refuses to turn. So next time your car squeaks, stalls, or refuses to cooperate, don't rush to the shop. Grab that $6 can, shake it like a magic potion, and fix it yourself. WD-40 won't just silence the noise, it silences repair bills too. If you learned even one new trick today, hit that like button. If you're about to raid your garage for WD-40 right now, drop a comment and tell us which trick you're trying first. And subscribe before your next oil change. We've got more real-world car hacks coming that mechanics would rather you never find out. Because around here, we don't just drive cars, we outsmart them.